See how tight that is?
In dentistry and medicine, we're always trying to improve. It's always changing. So no matter where you're at in your practice, you're going to benefit from coming to this course.
There is a saying in India, you don't have to sit there, wait for the banana to ripen, peel it, turn it into a smoothie and drink it. There's just no need to reinvent the wheel. This is like the smoothie already made for you. It's like an instant organic smoothie. It just gives you all the tips, for busy practitioners. It's a real eye-opener, personally and professionally.
You can read a ton of books, you can have all this knowledge, but until you actually see it, you get to see real patients, hear real parents, see real kids, see real tongue ties, and see the release right in front of your eyes.
Being able to hold the light scalpel, to hold the laser, to know how to put your hands, hold the patient, it makes the difference.
We're each able to get in and touch the tissues and feel where things were restricted.
It's really helped me gain a different perspective from the simple things like, holding your camera, taking pictures. That you cannot do it online, so it's really a game changer.
We saw changes happen immediately, and I couldn't recommend it more to anybody.
Take from your savings and come all the way. It's worth the visit. They are so friendly. They are so professional. This was amazing, amazing.